my channel. We are going to Hitchin Lavender Farm. Check out my outfit.
Yeah, lavender. Oh.
Yeah. It's all color matching.
I am not. Oh, you didn't let me wear my purple shirt.
What purple shirt? Oh no! So we'll be vlogging today. Hopefully. Hopefully. Go get lunch first.
Yes.
Then go Starbucks. So many stuff going on in Wembley.
Amazing, Wembley. You guys are being absolutely fantastic. So, the other step we want to teach.
We just got free bananas.
Yeah.
Oh yay!
What are you getting, babe?
Getting a chocolate croissant. So good.
Yeah. Oh.
Sorry. What a beautiful day. Oh, not my name. Not my name. What about my name?
Yeah.
Got my drink. Oh my god, I can just drink it. I didn't know that.
Oh, it tastes a lot like coffee. Just got my falafel here, and now got everything. You just have to get on the tube, get on the train, get on the taxi. Oh, what a travel! Yeah. Oh, what film is this?
We are not looking forward to this.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not. No.
What are we doing, babe?
We're waiting for the tube.
Now. So exciting.
That's it.
Yeah,
So
really
exciting.
exciting. Well, let's get back to it.
We are at St. Pancras now, just trying to find out
There we go.
what platform.
340. I just missed it.
Really?
Yeah, it's on the next. So confusing.
Yeah. Next stop. We've arrived Hitchin, but it's cloudy.
Don't be sad, babe.
It's going to sad vibe.
No, we can energy up. Energy.
Give me
Energy
some
up.
energy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think taxi can get in there and then drop us off at the ticket center. We need to buy a picking bag here because, well, that's not part of the tickets, but you just have to buy it so then you can actually like cut some lavender and take home. We're here at the Hitchin Lavender Farm. So many people, but it's pretty. Like it's like a really large field.
Hey, babe. Where are we?
Too close, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
I'm still recording. Should I stop recording? Okay, now I'm recording. I just got you sneezing.
Hello, we're Hitchin Lavender lavender farm now. I'm so scared. Look at here.
Whoa.
I'm trying to cut some lavender.
Okay. Okay, babe, you're gonna
Cut it.
cut it.
Try to, or say try to cut it. It's so strong.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah. I feel like I'm not cutting. I'm pulling.
Oh, there we go. There's one.
Yay!
First cut.
Oh.
There you go, babe. I'll pick this one especially for you.
We're trying to fill in this bag, and then we can hold it for photos. So many lavenders. Oh, baby's working. I only been to Mayfield, and Hitchin is like the second lavender farm I've been to. It's a lot more lavender here, but just a lot more bees as well. We're sitting down for a while.
You were scared of the bees, weren't you?
So
You
scary.
get through it. You got it through.
Yeah, halfway away.
Yeah.
Like we walk past all of those at
Yeah.
the back. So now here is like a field. Sit down for a bit.
Some dirt.
Okay, some dirt. But it's a good spot to like
Yeah.
sit down for photos.
Yeah, got some good ones, which you can see on her Instagram. Link in the description below.
Look at the field.
Oh, look, we've made so much progress.
Yeah, I know. Look at that.
Yeah.
We walked this far.
Like we were probably like only 5 minutes ago, like halfway. It took us about 15
yeah.
minutes to get that first. We've basically been following people.
Following people
that's
is
our
the
new
best
tactic.
strategy. Like
That's our new tactic.
just follow someone who's like not afraid of bee, and then they already like made them go away, and then
Yeah.
you walk fast.
So yeah, if you're scared of
Behind
bees,
it.
top tip from
Us.
us. Yeah, we don't have a nickname for us yet,
No.
so it's just us.
Gonna keep walking.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, very.
Wow.
Oh wow, I'm blinded.
Happy 9 months.
Oh yeah, happy 9 months.
Oh.
My hat wins. Aha, yes.
Oh really? So we are on our way going down, and we realized that what you need to do is like just walk the edge this side. Like it's so clear. You just walk without all the bees, and then when you go up there, and then you can just cut in to where the most lavenders bloom. So yeah, here's the tips.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, what are we doing now, babe?
Picnic.
Yes. I can't wait for food.
Yeah, gonna get some food.
And then what are we doing after, baby?
Dinner.
Yeah, more food.
When we're leaving, I want to get like a cream. They have some cream.
Oh, okay.
Because it's like getting painful.
Oh, okay. Yeah. We'll do that.
Yeah. They had like a cream for specifically for bees.
Yeah. I saw that they were giving them to some people. while
Oh
they were
yeah.
getting them.
Alright. Vlog ends here.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy our lavender
Yeah.
trip.
It's been really good. We made lots of bee friends.
Did we?
Yeah. We really enjoyed them. They didn't sting us. You know,
didn't
they were
sting
good
us.
to us.
They
They were
didn't
good
sting
to
us.
us.
Just follow someone.
Yeah.
Well, just follow someone and you'll be fine. They'll clear out the path. That's the top tip. Okay.
Alright. Had a great time here. Peace out.
If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thanks all. Bye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
not looking. You want this?
Yeah.
Right, okay. That was pointless. You just wanted this.